Hello, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you step by step on how to private your TikTok account. If you want to private your account on TikTok, then this video is for you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. The first thing you need to do is you log on to your TikTok app. The second step is for you to click on your profile. Once you're done clicking on your profile, you proceed and you click on the three lines up there. You now proceed and click on settings and privacy. The next thing you need to do is to click on privacy. Once you click on privacy, you see the first option, private accounts. You now turn it on. You see an option that switch to personal account to set as a private. That shows I'm using a business account and I cannot private a business account, so I'll be switching it back to a personal account. So now you click on private account. I've succeeded in setting my TikTok account private. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if this video is helpful. Thank you.